So far, a sales analysis report has gradually taken shape. We can give the report a title. First, we can open the text component under Other Components. Adjust the position of the text component and put it on the top. Then we can make a title for the whole template in the text component. For example, we call it so-and-so supermarket chain sales analysis. Then adjust the format of this text, center it, turn up the font size, set the font color to dark blue. Okay, we are done with this component title. In addition, if we have additional auxiliary instructions that need to be added to the report by way of external links, you can continue to add text boxes. There is an insert hyperlink above the text box. Then we can add, for example, FineBI's official website to this hyperlink. Then type in the text box. Click here to enter the supermarket official website. After pressing enter, let's adjust the value size and format. Then this hyperlink is done. When you click in, we can jump to FineBI's official website. Finally, we can make an overall beautification according to this report. For example, let's take a look at the report as a whole. You can rename this text drop-down box to product category. Then we see that this tab component is useless. We can cancel the title. And then let the tab component display the sales analysis by default. Then we're satisfied with this basic style. We can also adjust the color. Click in the dashboard style at the top of the dashboard. In this, the default color is white. We can also adjust many other default colors. Blue, gray, fresh, and colorful, for example. We can finally choose to use white and confirm to save. Then the report is ready.